Okay, sorry for the delay with the fishing challenge with Hook Off the Hunt. Something happened, and yeah. But now I'm back, and I'm gonna put 2 rods out. This is my catfish rod, and then I have this ice fish rod with 8-pound test on it. So yeah, I'm kind of cooked if this one gets hooked. But I did bring bread and bacon, so to give my ice fishing rod an even better chance of getting hooked, I'm gonna put the bacon on it. So yay, dumb decisions. Okay, so I got my catfish rod all set up with the bread, and I have my ice fishing rod set up. So now let's put the catfish rod out. It really helped the second I cast this to fly everywhere. Then I would have no more bait left. Very gentle cast. Okay, not too mad about that. Just using the drag. Pretty good. And now since I don't have a rod holder, I'm going to put it right in between these 2 rocks. Yeah, should be pretty well. Now while that sits down, I'm going to go put this over here. And obviously this isn't enough slack, because it's seriously like, I don't know, like 6 inches. Probably about the size of your PB bass, but yeah, I'm gonna give this about a few more inches. No, stick. Wait a minute. Okay, so I finally got this, rigged up, so now I'm just going to cast it like right in the middle of here. Okay, so I got the bait where I want it. Now I have my thing all set up, so now I'm going to set this down, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.